Vivek Atre and we're here for another episode of the Good Vibe Show. Today we have a really special guest, a young, only 11-year-old golfer, international golfer, Ojaswini. Hello Ojaswini.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Very well, thank you. And we also have Rakshita, who's her mother, and Rakshita and Om, who is her husband or Ojaswini's father, are proud parents of Ojaswini and Ojaswar, who might surprise us on the show later. Right now, Ojaswini, for you, why do you love golf so much?
I love golf because it's very unexpectedly surprising, exciting. And I love when I hit birdies, eagles, and pars.
Okay, so how did you get into golf?
I got into golf because I was born in front of Mohali Golf Range. So when I went for the first time, I liked golf a lot. And it very pushed me towards and motivated me towards to play golf.
Wow. So, Rakshita ma'am, you being a mother, as parents, how did you envision that your children can be in golf? And आपको मतलब वो मोहाली golf range की वजह से इतना इंस्पिरेशन आया और भी कोई रीजन था? और अब इसकी जर्नी जो है उसके बारे में आप क्या कहते हो?
See, it's like when I was young like her, so I was in sports. But वो parents का उस time ये था पढ़ो 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 हमने
Which sport were you in?
I was in kabaddi, I was in badminton, I was in kho-kho. So I was a sports person during my studies.
Right.
So at that time I didn't get the exposure to go on the national or on the international level. So when I was pregnant with her, so we thought, let's put our kids in any game, whatever they choose. So हमारी जर्नी वहीं से स्टार्ट हुई कि हम मोहाली गोल्फ रेंज के सामने रह रहे थे. हमारी फैमिली में कोई भी गोल्फर नहीं है. And we took her, she liked the game, and this is how the journey started.
So where has she reached in her journey according to you? She's been playing since the age of?
4, 3.
4?
Yeah.
And now it is...
She's 11, yeah.
Already 7 years in the journey.
Yes.
But at this stage, as an 11-year-old, according to you, has she reached beyond your expectations? Is she as per expectation or what?
You can say I'm blessed with her.
Right.
She's very much talented, and we want to preserve her talent.
Right.
So I think we have more responsibility as a parents कि वो जो एक भगवान ने हमें इसके साथ बख्शा है या जिस टैलेंट के साथ दिया है उसको हमने आगे लेके जाना है. एफर्ट्स की बात करें तो शी इज वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग. Don't take any leave, no cheat days, no cheat meals. As a 11-year girl or a kid, she doesn't have anything that trouble us as a parent. Although we feel like इसको कभी break मिलना चाहिए, but she's a kid who is always like, I want to go, I want to go, I want to go.
Wonderful. So Jaswini, just recount for us, tell us, what all championships have you enjoyed more? Tell us your journey in golf.
First, I started playing in like small tournaments like chipping, putting, hitting, and all those different varieties. Then I moved to the courses. Then I played course competitions, and I liked it very much. Then I went to the nationals, like around in India, and then the different golf courses made me so much fun that
How old were you then?
Around 6.
Okay.
So then I went in South Africa for the first time, international. There I won. So it gave me like, yes, I'm doing
How did
very
you win
well.
that first tournament in South Africa? Tell us about that tournament.
My dad was guiding me. So it was really a good experience. And I played like I used to play and I won.
Sounds very simple.
Yeah.
I'm sure it was very complicated. So how many players were there? What age group were there? Do you remember that tournament well?
I was around 7, but I don't know the field. It would be around 40
people were there.
Yeah,
And they were about the same age or older?
around the same age.
Same age, and you just won the tournament.
Yeah.
So super. So what is it that, before we come to the rest of your journey, what are your special attributes? What are your special qualities that make you a good golfer?
I like my short game. I'm a long hitter, and I'm not disturbed by any bad thing which is going on. I just focus on the good thing and makes me like go more higher.
So basically, if you had a bad round or something, you don't really
Then
carry
you
it to the next
Yeah.
one. That's amazing. That's really good. It happens at times that things don't go according to plan, but then you bounce back in the next one. That's what.
Yes.
Okay. So then recount more. Then after the South Africa tournament, what happened?
After that, I went to European Championship. There I came third or fourth, and there were like 110 girls in my category. Then I went next, like after 1 month, I went to America to play the World Championship in Pinehurst, North Carolina.
How old were you?
I was 9,
Okay.
and then I came second there.
You came second.
Second,
I mean,
yeah.
it's the first time you played international. 9-year-old and you came second.
Yes.
Just like that.
Yeah. Then when I was 10 in this year, February, I went to Thailand Asian Junior Masters. Over there, I won with a huge margin and made a course record of 25 under.
Oh, 25 under par. My God.
In 3 days,
Quite
25 under.
amazing,
Yeah.
Quite amazing.
They even gave me a voucher of
10,000 rupees.
10,000 rupees, and I spent it over there like these markers. I got and a leather bag.
Show the marker on the
Screen there.
Yeah, okay. Very nice. All right.
Take the upper one.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's like this is the special marker of Black Mountain, and it's on the both sides.
How lovely. You like these markers, huh?
Yeah.
So, what are you feeling in your golf journey now? Till where have you reached? Where do you want to go?
I want to go very high. I want to win Olympics for my country.
Wow.
Go Augusta and win World Championship, and many more are in my targets.
Yeah, so till now it's only the beginning.
Yeah.
You're just building your game. I'll come back to you about the technical aspects about your game.
Yes.
But Rachita, what do you feel? I mean, as parents, how much have you had to sacrifice or invest, not in terms of finance, but in terms of time?
From the last 5 years, I don't have any social circle. I get up, I come with all the bunch they eat in the day, and we start our day with the golfing. First workout, then golfing. Then we come home, we study little bit. Then they sleep early. I don't think these days kids sleep by 7 or 8 o'clock. My kids they are in the habit of sleeping by 7 or 8 o'clock because
Almost your bedtime.
so they get up early, so they need to sleep early, and they wake up early also.
Wonderful. No, but your sacrifice.
That's
as
my
parents.
no. I don't say it a sacrifice because I love this. Because when they are doing something, they are putting their hard work. So I think it's not a sacrifice. It's my effort from my side towards their journey.
In fact, it's not right to compare, but recently I saw the videos of Pragnananda and Vaishali,
Yeah.
who are the chess champions.
Yeah.
And Pragnananda is now in the top 10.
Yes.
He beat the world champion recently.
Yes.
Magnus Carlsen also, and Deaning or somebody, and his sister. And the mother is there.
There.
And every time they come out after playing chess, she gives them cookies and water and,
So these are the things that parents do for their kids. So सुबह उठाना है, फिर course when they play for 5 or 6 hours, you need to take their all the diet, all the things, hydration, what are they feeling, how much tired they are, how much rest they need. So you need to plan the things. That is our part of the duty, you can say.
So, Jaswini, coming to the technical part of the game, I have played cricket. You played golf, right? So, what are the technical skills required in golf? How have you improved your skills? Long game, short game. What is the aspect you still
The
improve?
game, like it's always a learning.
Right,
You will never feel that I've learned everything.
right.
So it's like I will always learn. I will always learn some things. I will always do some things. So it's like always practicing your techniques, learning more, and it's like never-ending progress.
Which part of your technique do you need to work on a little more, you feel?
I have to work on my short game more because it's the most important part of my game.
Right.
Even if I hit long, I have to go to the short game still. So I have to make sure that it's perfect.
And your long game is good? You're
Yes.
hitting, you said 180.
Carry, yes.
Yes, that's amazing, quite amazing. For your
For your age group, yeah, it's really long.
Absolutely. And then Does height, growing taller, give you an advantage in life as a golfer?
A little bit. It makes us like go further in long distance, and yeah, it gives us a little bit.
But still, I want to add one thing, that if the person is 5'10" or 6 feet, doesn't make any difference,
Yeah.
because everything by the end of that time you need to putt your ball.
Yeah. Ultimately, you need. So, do you also work on your physique, your strength? What are the kinds of exercises you do?
I do every kind of exercise though. I can't say only this, only this. I do every kind of exercise, and it's
What is your exercise routine? Let's say.
I have different type of.
No, let's talk about it. We need to know. We need to know. Let's say one type of routine. Like today, what did you do?
So they get up, then they do their warm up. Then the trainer is there. So it's not her routine. It's like the trainer's routine, what he wants to do.
Right.
So it's like little confusing for her that what she is doing.
Strength training is also part of.
Yeah, strength is there, flexibility is there.
Agility.
Yeah, every type of, because
Even though in golf you're not running as such,
but they are walking for 5
walking
hours.
for so much endurance and that physical stamina
Stamina.
very
Yes.
much required.
Yeah.
Coming to the mind, concentration. How important is it, and how have you developed your concentration?
Concentration is like very important. If you just do a little bit over there, so your shot can go miss.
Right.
So you have to focus a lot, but not focus on your bad things, always on the good things.
So have you found sometimes that your concentration has wavered and you missed the putt or something like? Did it happen to you?
No.
Never happened. You never missed, or did you ever feel that your concentration could have been better?
Not much.
Always very good. Huh?
Yeah.
She's very good at concentration.
Yeah, his reason being, I think her early exposure to the game gave her this thing that she doesn't lose her concentration anytime.
What do you feel about the mindset of a youngster who's growing up? Like, how are you working on her mental conditioning, mental toughness? Sometimes things don't go according to plan. You came second when you thought you will come
The
first.
first, yes.
So how do you get over that? And what about the mental part?
See, sports, we can't take it granted any time. In any sports, I don't think that we are thinking that we'll be first. No, never, not on the last part also. So I think meditation is the best part.
Wow.
So meditation, if she's spending 20 minutes or 30 minutes, I think that is the good quality of meditation, that the focus development is there because of that only.
This is an amazing learning for youngsters. So, Jaswini, how do you meditate? Do you follow any techniques while you're meditating, or you just try and focus on something?
Actually, her mentor, he is giving some tips how to meditate the game and how to put the more concentration in the game.
So he tells you follow those, huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
And it has helped you a lot.
Yeah.
So during meditation, when you're sitting for 20 minutes, do you think of chocolate ice cream or something, or you don't eat those things? But do you think of things, do distractions come in the mind at times?
No.
Never.
Yeah,
So you're able
never.
to meditate.
Yes.
Quite a perfect child. I must say.
Because she's like, I think she tasted chocolate, I think 5-6 years back. I think it's like
For
that.
the first time.
Yeah.
So disciplined.
Yeah.
So what, sometimes like Mama said that there are no cheat days and nothing like that.
Yeah.
But what do you like to eat, which is maybe not as healthy as you should?
Yeah.
What is that?
Curry rice, rajma rice.
Curry rice, rajma rice is not healthy.
It's like if you talk about the nutritions.
Right.
Curry में कुछ नहीं है, there is nothing. तो हम
Unhealthy चीजों में नहीं आता.
नहीं आता हाँ, हमारे
You
लिए.
will say burgers or pizzas or pasta or something like chocolate.
I want to add one thing. मेरे बच्चे ने आज तक बर्गर नहीं खाया. तो
मैंने अभी एक आर्टिकल लिखा था कि बर्गर्स और पिज्जाज जो है वो मेडिटेशन को भी डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, और वो यंगस्टर्स क्या करते हैं बिकॉज
ज़्यादा खाते हैं वो लोग.
कि वो मेडिटेशन कर रहा है, उसको भूख भी लग रही है.
The thought process is there.
Thought process. But the way you are bringing up these children is very similar to top athletes and sports persons of the world, because the mind is conditioned in a way
Way.
I've analyzed cricket a lot, tennis, football, and golf. I understand that the real factor to succeed will be the mind. आप जितने मर्जी स्किल्स बना लो, जब आपका माइंड स्ट्रॉन्ग है, जब आपका माइंड फोकस्ड है, कंसंट्रेशन अच्छा है, तो यू आर अनबीटेबल. नथिंग कैन बीट यू.
सर गोल्स हाई होंगे तो आपको एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी हाई रखनी पड़ेगी. तो आपको वो शुरू से ही आपने उनके डिसिप्लिन में वो चीज रखी है. तो आई थिंक विराट कोहली कहते हैं ना कि आपको सुबह उठना है 4:30 बजे, पर आपका मन नहीं कर रहा है, पर आपको पता है कि आपको ये 4:30 बजे उठना कितना ही आपके जो आपका विनिंग स्टेज है वो कितना एफर्ट डाल रहा है उसमें, तो आप उठ जाओगे. द सेम गोज विद हर आल्सो विद एवरी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन.
तो आप क्रिकेट भी फॉलो करते हो? इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीता है, अभी पता है आपको T20? देखा आपने कुछ मैच
देखा नहीं वैसे.
बट पता है आपको. तो आपको who is your sporting let's say icon? किसको फॉलो करते हो?
Like we will talk about Indians like Aditya Shok.
Aditya is very good, yes.
Yes. Shubhankar Sharma.
Shubhankar is very good.
And if we talk about all over world, I would like to say Dishambu, Rory McIlroy, Nelly Korda.
Nelly Korda, McIlroy,
Yes.
wow, Rory. Super players, amazing.
That's
You
a
watch
golf
them very carefully. Golf दिखाते हैं आप इनको टीवी पे?
See, I try to keep them away from the TV, but जो highlights आती हैं मैं इनको highlights पक्का से दिखाती हूँ किसी भी टूर्नामेंट की. PGA, LPGA जितने भी highlights हैं वो ये जरूर देखते हैं.
टाइगर वुड्स का नाम सुना है?
हाँ वो the god of golf.
God of golf. So absolutely brilliant, है ना?
Yes.
Shubhankar Sharma is from Chandigarh, Panchkula. I
Yes.
interviewed him also once. We had an interaction with him, and what a great champion he is. So it is very good to have role models who are inspiring you, because ultimately I think the body and the physical fitness is very important. The mind and the concentration is very important,
Yes.
more important. But then the heart and the soul are also very important. The जोश is also very important. वो जोश कहाँ से आता है?
अभी आज तक कोई वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप नहीं जीता कंट्री से मेरे गोल्फ में.
तो ये जोश है.
ओलंपिक्स इंडिया में गोल्फ में कोई नहीं जीता.
कोई नहीं जीता.
मुझे जीतना है.
मुझे जीतना. मतलब आपको
जीतना है. हाँ.
तो ओलंपिक्स में अगर हमें जाना है तो हमारी पाथ क्या है? कहाँ से कहाँ कैसे पहुँचेंगे हम ओलंपिक्स में? कैसे पहुँचोगे आप? क्या करना पड़ेगा?
इंडिया वो देता है, एक सर्टिफिकेट देता है कि आप जा सकते हो ओलंपिक्स. जैसे अभी इस साल जा रही है अपने प्रशांत और आदित्य अशोक जा रहे हैं वो, और तो वो जा रहे हैं तो मुझे पता लग जाता है कि ये जा रहे हैं, इस पाथ से जा रहे हैं, तो मुझे भी करना है वो.
तो अभी 2024 में पेरिस ओलंपिक्स में वो जा रहे हैं, तो हम होप कर सकते हैं कि आप कितने के हो जाओगे? 2028 में तो आप 15 के ही होगे सिर्फ. तो 2032 में प्रोबेबली आप 19 इयर्स के होगे.
प्रोबेबिलिटी हाई है क्योंकि उसमें हम अपनी पीक पे होंगे. इंडियन
उसमें-
गोल्फ यूनियन जो है दैट इज द वे टू गो टू ओलंपिक्स. जे आपने IGU में इंडियन गोल्फ यूनियन में यू आर रैंक्ड ऑन द नंबर 1 फ्रॉम योर कंट्री. यू आर एलिजिबल टू रिप्रेजेंट योर कंट्री इन द ओलंपिक्स.
तो जसविनी को 2032 ओलंपिक्स के लिए अभी से हम विश करना शुरू करते हैं. उसके लिए हमें बहुत लंबी लड़ाई लड़नी है और हमें फोकस भी करना है, हमें क्लियर भी रहना है, हमें मम्मा की बात भी सुननी है जो आप सुन ही रहे हो. मतलब मुझे तो आप में कोई प्रॉब्लम नजर नहीं आती है. तो प्रॉब्लम हमें क्रिएट भी नहीं करनी कोई, हमें लगे रहना है, लगे रहना है, लगे रहना है, लगे रहना है. तो आपने कहा ये सारे गोल्फर्स आपके हीरोज हैं. नॉन गोल्फर में कौन है आपका कोई हीरो या हीरोइन या किसी भी फील्ड में?
वो विराट कोहली है.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो शुक्र है कोई है. ठीक है, वो भी होना चाहिए. तो अब हम एक सरप्राइज भी देते हैं. एक ओजस्व आपके ब्रदर का नाम है.
Yes.
तो ये पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गया है बिना पूछे. इसको बुला लेते हैं. तो ये जो हमारे सरप्राइज गेस्ट हैं जिनका नॉटी सा स्माइल है, ही इज 9 year old ओजस्व. And Ojaswini and Ojaswa both mean light, as far as I know.
Yes.
ऐसा है.
Oj means light.
तो ये लाइट हमें नजर आ रही है इनकी आईज में, इनकी स्माइल्स में. तो आप भी गोल्फ खेलते हो?
Yes.
कैसा लगता है? हाउ डू यू लाइक गोल्फ?
अच्छा लगता है.
Very good. So what are your strengths? Are you already very good at golf? What are your best points?
I'm a long hitter.
And I putt really good.
ये पट मैं तो रह क्या गया मतलब बीच में लॉन्ग हिट के बाद और पट से पहले एक थोड़ा बहुत
Chip-
होता
chip
होगा ना,
part-
chip
chip part
वगैरह
is there.
होता होगा, मुझे भी थोड़ा बहुत तो होता है। तो इम्प्रूव कर रहे हो, प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो,
कर रहा हूँ।
दीदी से सीख रहे हो या कोच से सीख रहे हो?
सभी से
मामा से
सीखना।
सीख रहा हूँ।
मम्मा से सीख रहे हो। मम्मा आप भी खेलते हैं मैम?
मैं नहीं खेलती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे लगता है मुझे अब गेम बहुत ज़्यादा आती है, बिकॉज आपके बच्चे तब सीखेंगे जब आपको आता होगा। आप बच्चों को तभी सिखा पाओगे जब आपको वो चीज़ें को जब सिखा रहा है, यू आर देयर 24/7 विद देम, तो वो चीज़ें ऑटोमेटिकली इनको ट्रांसफ़र होती हैं थ्रू मी।
वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू। नहीं, वो वाइब्स जो गुड वाइब शो पे हैं, जो वाइब्स आपकी हैं वो इनमें ट्रांसफर हो रही हैं, इसलिए ऐसे बच्चे बने। And I'm sure your husband is the same, because without those vibes, अगर और circumstances हो ना कोई,
हाँ जी।
you know, there are other things going on, money minded हो गए, प्रॉब्लम हो गई, लड़ाई हो गई, कुछ हो गया,
Yeah.
तो फिर गोल्फ कहाँ है?
गोल्फ में फिर गोल्फ के लिए टाइम ही नहीं है, फिर गोल्फ के लिए टाइम नहीं है।
तो जैसे आपको क्या मतलब ये कोई चॉकलेट्स, कोई बर्गर्स, कोई पिज्जा ऐसे अच्छे लगते हैं?
बर्गर पिज्जा नहीं खाता मैं।
बर्गर पिज्जा नहीं खाते, चॉकलेट्स खाते हैं
कभी कभी।
कभी कभी, थोड़ी सी खास।
बॉयज नॉटी ऑलवेज।
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। तो मतलब फिट रहने के लिए हमें जो करना है वो तो करना ही है, और कभी कभी एंजॉय भी कर लेना
चीट
चाहिए।
डे कर लेना चाहिए।
ठीक है, कभी कभी ठीक है। तो जैसे आपको क्या लगता है गोल्फ में आप क्या करना चाहते हो? गोल्फ में क्या आगे कैसा बनना चाहते हो? गोल्फ में
ओलंपिक्स खेलना चाहता हूँ।
आप भी ओलंपिक्स खेलना चाहते हो? क्या बात है। तो मतलब हमारे पास दो बडिंग स्पोर्ट्स स्टार्स हैं जो ओलंपिक्स के लिए जा सकते हैं, और 2032 में आप कितने, आप 9 इयर्स के होगे?
अब 8, हाँ, going to be 9, going to be 9.
32 या 36 में कभी। And golf you can play till very senior age, no?
Yes.
Till what is the active age of golf players? Let's say professional golfers किस age group में होते हैं?
Sir, it's like you get retired when you feel like, as we say about Tiger Woods.
What is the youngest age to become a golf professional?
It's 18 years.
18 years के बाद you can be a golf
Yeah.
professional.
Before that, you are an
You can go
amateur.
until
Yeah.
65.
Yeah.
I think 65 की एज में किसने अभी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया था स्कॉटलैंड में? One of the world's best golfers, and we will come back to that.
जीत मिल्खा सिंह भी अभी
Milkha
हमारे
Singh
सीनियर,
probably-
हाँ, सीनियर गोल्फ
He's
टूर में बाहर
probably
है।
45 plus, है ना?
Yeah.
Going to be almost 50, I guess.
Yes.
He's from St. John's, Chandigarh, and great legendary family of
So
Mr.
we can say
Milkha Singh.
Chandigarh is producing lots of golfers.
Chandigarh is the ideal place. And you know Kapil Dev
Yes.
is from here, 83 World Cup champion. Yuvraj Singh is from here.
Yes.
And we've had so many good hockey players from this region.
Kapil Dev and Yuvraj Singh are playing golf now.
Oh, they're playing
Yeah,
golf now.
golf
Very
now,
good. And Kapil Dev has become the
president for the IGS
Indian
Golf Union. Yeah.
Yeah, wonderful. Kapil Dev had a hole-in-one on
One.
1st January this year.
Yes.
Surety of that.
JP, हाँ,
And
JP.
recently I also met him on the flight, so he's a great sportsman. So that's what I wanted to say to the two of them, that inspiration should be coming all the time. तो हम body, mind and soul तीनों इसमें लगा देंगे ना,
Yes.
तो body and mind से तो हम machine बन जाएंगे, soul भी चाहिए. Meditation is also helping your soul, and when you have that jazba, that josh, that enthusiasm, then that X factor will come.
Yeah.
So do you think you have an X factor, Jaswini?
What is an
X
extra?
factor means something extra
The
special.
extra.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
do have.
Yeah, because only skills and technique will make us very good.
Good.
But there is something in Tiger Woods or Nelly Korda
Nelly Korda,
Yes.
that make them
Extra.
outstanding. That is the X factor.
yeah. They are the goat.
Yes. So they are the ones, Sachin Tendulkar. I mean, they are something which is beyond technique and beyond skills.
Yes.
That we need to have within our hearts and souls.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
So what do you want to say to some 6-year-olds and their parents who want to start in golf now? What should they do? How should they start?
Just start with good vibes.
Good vibes. Good smart girl.
Yeah.
Okay. Good vibes, and then
And then
Just put your efforts and
Yes.
go with the game.
go with the game.
Game. Yes.
And if you have to give one advice to girls, younger, older, what should girls do in life to be successful?
they have to fight for their achievement, their goal.
Fight for their achievements and their goals.
Yes.
You're a good speaker.
Yeah, she
Good-
is.
Good expression, very good expression. And Jaswini, you are 11. When you are older and you'll be coming on shows, will you remember this Good Vibe show?
Of course.
Yes, of course.
You'll remember it?
Yes.
Very good. So then we'll be happy. Or just for will you remember it also?
Because you gave her the first platform.
Yeah, she was on our Playwright Foundation as well
Yes.
and spoke so well, and we were all inspired. That's why you were again invited here. And now we catch them young so that before she becomes the Olympian, we have already had your interview. After you become Olympian, everybody wants to interview you, you know.
Yes.
But we always be there to thank you to give the platform.
We are so happy to have had you here. Thank you for joining.
Thank you so
and
much,
keep playing the way you are and keep maintaining that discipline, but also enjoy your life. Happiness is the goal.
Yes.
Happiness is the goal. Yes?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very nice to have you all.